Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn about how we can manage the pick list values using record types in Salesforce. So here I will explain how we can customize the already created pick list values using the record types in Salesforce. For that, let's jump to the Salesforce org. Now here, to understand how we can manage pick list values, first we need to learn about how we can create different page layouts in Salesforce. After that, how we can create different record types and assign the created page layout to the report types in Salesforce. So these videos I have given in description box, you can go through it. After that, you can better understand how we can customize the pick list values using record types in Salesforce. And in this video, I will be detail explain. For that, watch the video till end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So whenever you post a new video, you will get an update. Now, before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce geekers. We recently launched a Salesforce admin training course. In that, we explain every concept in a simple and easy to understand way, so you can learn step by step with the confidence. So this course is for beginner to the advanced level. In that we have covered 10 modules. You will get lifetime access. So here you can see, here we have covered 10 modules: introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce navigation and setup. After that, Salesforce user management. Then we also have covered Salesforce apps, object and tabs. After that, the Salesforce fields and formulas, UI customization in Salesforce. After that, Salesforce reports and dashboards, Salesforce data management and Salesforce flows. So in this course, we have covered everything from beginner to the advanced level. So if you are serious about launching your Salesforce career, check out the course now. We have provided the link in the description box. You can go through it. Now let's jump to the topic. Now let me open the Institute application that we created. In that we have student object, for which we created different page layout, and then by using the record types, we have assigned those page layout to the record types. Now here I am opening the student tab. As I click on the new button, here you can see, in previous video we have created these three record types: student type, college student and then school students. Now very first, as I click on this college student and then click on next, as I scroll down, here you can see, here we have one pick list field which is course stream. Now as I click on this drop down, here you will see different courses which is for the college students. Now let me cancel this one. Again, as I click on new button, and now this time here I am selecting school students and then click on next. Again, as I scroll down, here you can see, here also we have one pick list field which is select subject. As I click on this pick list field, here we have different subjects which is for the school students. Now in this school layout, the select subject means the student has to select any special subject. Now same for the college student, I also want to create select subject field, and in that field there will be different subject, and from there the college student need to select any special subject. Now here is the question, do I need to create different pick list field, and in that field also do I need to add different subject? Whatever the subject will be for the colleges, that subject I will add in that field, and then that field I will add to the college student layout. So again this process will be very lengthy. Instead of that, what we can do, in this select subject field which is for the school students, and in this same field I will add the subject for the college students. Now you might be thinking, for this school students also the college students subject will be visible. So here comes the record types which manage the pick list values. Now first let's add the college student subject in the select subject field. So here I am closing this one. Click on gear icon, click on setup. Select the object manager. In the quick find, search for the students. Here I am opening the student object, fields and relationship. Search for the subject field. So here I am clicking on select subject. Then as I scroll down, now here you can see, now here we have pick list values. Now I want to add college student subject in this field. So here I am clicking on new. So here I am providing for the medical anatomy, then biochemistry. After that, for the mechanical and civil engineering, here I am providing mathematics, fluid mechanic, And then for the computer science, Java, Python and C++. Now the value that I have added these subjects for the college students. Now as I scroll down, here you can see to add the new values to the picklist values for a particular record type, check the appropriate boxes below. So this subject we need to add for the college students. So here I am selecting this record type, and then here you can see student types. So in this student type we have all the fields from the college student also and then the school students also. So here I am selecting this one also and then click on save. And now here you can see for the select subject picklist field, as I scroll down, now here we have all the subject that we added for the school students also and then the college students also. Now let's check whether on the page layouts for the college students and the school students which subject has been displayed. So here I am navigating to the student object or student tab. Here I am clicking on new. Then as I click on the school students, click on next, scroll down, and then as I click on the select subject, in the school student layout only relevant subjects are displayed. Now here I am closing this one, again click on new. This time here I am selecting college students, then click on next, again scroll down. Now here we don't have that field. First we need to add the select subject field on this page layout in which college students. So here I am closing this, again navigate to the student object. Here you can see page layout. Here I am opening this, open the college layout. After that, here you can see under the fields we have select subject. Here I am dragging this and drop to the details field and then click on save. Again navigate to the record page, refresh this one, click on new, select the college student, click on next, scroll down. The changes that we have made in the page layout, it's not reflected over here. Let me cancel this. Meanwhile we can check in the Salesforce Classic. So here I am switched to Salesforce Classic. To navigate to the student object, click on all tabs, search for the student object, open it. As I click on new, now in the record type we need to select college student, click on continue. And now here you can see this time here we have select subject picklist field. Now as I click on this select subject field, here you can see here we have college student subject as well as the school student subject also. And now from here we need to remove the school student subject. For that we need to navigate record types, which controls the picklist values. So here I am navigating to the student object, scroll down. Here you can see we have record types, click on it, select the college student layout or college student record type, scroll down, and now here you can see here we have select subject field. We need to click on edit, and now from here we need to remove picklist values which we don't need. So here I am removing mathematics, science, history, geography. Click on remove button, again scroll down and click on save. Again navigate to the record page, refresh page. Now again as I click on this select subject, this time here you can see here we only have the subject which relevant to the college subjects or college students. So in this way we can use the record type to manage the picklist value in Salesforce. I hope whatever I explained you have understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so whenever we post a new video you will get an update. Thank you.